Welcome to my channel Ratri Theater. Now we discuss about motivation and success in this video. Before that, like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, then let's start the video.
Join me as I challenge myself to build financial freedom while doing what I love. Can I turn my passion into profit? Here's a shocking fact. More than 70% of people report being unhappy with their jobs. If you're feeling burnt out or stuck in the 9-to-5 grind, you're not alone. But what if there was another way? What if you could turn your passion into your livelihood and find true freedom? Let's talk about how you can achieve that. Introduction: Financial freedom isn't just about getting rich. It's about waking up every day with purpose, doing something that excites you. Imagine making a living doing what you love without the dread of a soul-crushing job. Today, I'll walk you through how you can make this a reality by turning your passion into your career. Presentation of problem, challenge. Turning your passion into income is a dream for many, but it's also an intimidating process. Most people feel overwhelmed by the question, how do I even get started? Fear of failure often holds people back. The thought of putting yourself out there and not getting the results you hope for can be paralyzing. Then, there's the inevitable question, how can I make money from something I truly love? It's common to think that passion can't pay the bills. This is compounded by the competition. We're living in an age where anyone can access the same platforms and build an audience, or launch a business. So, how do you stand out in a sea of content creators, entrepreneurs, and professionals all vying for attention and dollars? And then comes the reality of sustaining it. How do you keep the momentum going once you've started? How do you balance your passion with the financial pressures of life, rent, utilities, insurance? These are challenges everyone faces when trying to turn passion into a career, and they're real. But what's often overlooked is that each of these obstacles can be overcome with the right strategies, persistence, and mindset development. Let's break down how to navigate these challenges and monetize your passion. 1. Freelancing, the flexible start. Freelancing can be one of the quickest ways to get started. If you have a marketable skill, writing, design, programming, social media management, there's a demand for it. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or even social media offer spaces to showcase your expertise. The key here is consistency. When you're starting out, it's about building your reputation. Don't expect to land high-paying gigs immediately. Instead, focus on creating a strong portfolio and accumulating positive reviews. Gradually, as your work improves and your experience grows, you'll be able to increase your rates and work with higher-paying clients. Freelancing also teaches you a crucial lesson: how to manage time, set boundaries, and communicate with clients. These skills will be essential as you move into bigger opportunities, like running your own business or launching a scalable project. 2. Entrepreneurship, turning passion into a business. Starting a business is one of the most challenging but rewarding ways to turn your passion into profit. Whether it's opening a local cafe, launching a tech startup, or running an online store, entrepreneurship offers a high degree of independence. However, it requires a lot more than just passion. You need to develop a business model, learn about your market, and figure out the best way to provide value. The startup phase is a marathon, not a sprint. You need to be prepared for the initial struggle. Most businesses don't turn a profit in the first year, and many take several years to truly gain traction. The challenge here isn't just about creating a product or service that people want. It's about understanding business fundamentals, how to market, how to handle finances, and how to keep customers coming back. But once you figure it out, the reward is enormous, with potential for growth beyond your wildest dreams. 3. Content creation, building an audience. In today's digital age, content creation is one of the most powerful ways to monetize your passion. Whether you're blogging, making YouTube videos, podcasting, or streaming, you can connect with people who share your interests and monetize your content in multiple ways. Ad revenue, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and even selling your own products or services. But creating content isn't easy. It requires not just passion but also a strategic approach. You need to create content consistently, engage with your audience, and be adaptable. The biggest hurdle for many is standing out in an oversaturated market. But there's an important factor here that many overlook: authenticity. When you're being truly yourself, your audience can feel it. They're not just tuning in for information, they're tuning in because they connect with you. And that connection can translate into significant financial gain once you've built trust. 4. Hybrid approach, combining multiple revenue streams. One of the smartest strategies for turning your passion into a sustainable income is combining multiple income streams. You don't have to rely on just one avenue. Freelancing, business, and content creation can coexist. For instance, you might freelance to pay the bills while slowly building your online brand or business on the side. This provides financial stability while allowing you to grow your passion project without the pressure of it needing to succeed overnight. This approach also gives you more security. You're not dependent on a single source of income, and you can adjust based on what works best for you. Plus, when one stream of income grows, it supports the others. Key moment. So, here's the crucial shift you need to make in your mindset. Start thinking of your passion as a business, even if it's just a side project at first. This means treating it with the same seriousness and structure that any business would require. It's about taking small, deliberate steps every day toward making your passion sustainable. Whether it's devoting time to creating valuable content, working on a client project, or improving your product, every bit of effort compounds over time. The biggest mindset change is understanding that setbacks aren't failures, they're part of the journey. Every successful person has faced rejection, challenges, and frustration. What sets them apart is their commitment to continuing the pursuit, learning from mistakes, and always improving. The key to overcoming obstacles is resilience and adaptability. Your path may not be linear, but each challenge is an opportunity to learn and refine your approach. And most importantly, don't let perfectionism stop you from starting. The perfect moment doesn't exist, just take action. Conclusion. To sum it up, turning your passion into a sustainable income is possible, but it requires strategic planning, persistence, and the willingness to learn and adapt. Don't let the fear of failure hold you back. Embrace it as part of the process. Your passions can lead to financial freedom if you put in the work. And keep pushing through the challenges. I want to hear from you. What passion are you currently trying to turn into a business? What's the biggest obstacle holding you back? Share your experiences in the comments below and let's start a conversation. Don't forget to check out my other videos for more tips on how to achieve financial freedom by pursuing what you love.